BM25 and Embeddings often disagree, and their scores do not line up. Reciprocal Rank Fusion merges both rankings without trusting raw scores. You'll walk away with a setup that fuses sparse and dense rankings and returns a single hybrid search result. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI foundations with simple Python. Search systems usually combine a keyword-style retriever with a semantic retriever. The keyword model think BM25 spots exact phrases and rare words. The semantic model think embeddings catches paraphrases and meaning that keywords miss. The trouble is, their top lists rarely match, and their scores live on different scales. That makes a naive numeric mix brittle. The model with bigger numbers wins, not the model with better hits. We want a fuser that respects rank positions, so neither side steamrolls the other. Reciprocal Rank Fusion, or RRF, is a simple late fusion trick that does exactly that. It turns each ranker into ranked positions and scores documents by those reverse ranks. High-ranked items on both lists get boosted. Because it uses ranks, not raw magnitudes, it's robust to different scoring scales and easy to implement. If BM25 puts Doc A first and Embeddings put Doc B first, RRF favors documents that sit near the top of both lists instead of trusting one inflated score. We'll walk through a compact pipeline so the behavior is obvious. First, we benchmark BM25 alone. Then we run embeddings by themselves. Next, we try a naive sum of scores to show why that can fail. After that, we'll convert runs and apply RRF. And finally, we'll compare the fused order to the originals so you can see the balance. Quick note, this code is designed to teach the core idea clearly. Library versions and local setups can vary, so check the official docs if your setup behaves differently. First, we need a baseline sparse retriever to show what BM25 prefers on our tiny corpus. This snippet builds a tiny BM25 benchmark, so we know how the sparse retriever behaves. Why start with BM25 alone when you're planning a hybrid search later? Defining doc texts keeps the toy corpus readable, while doc IDs gives each sentence a stable handle we can reuse across steps. BM25 OCopy tokenizes the short strings and query, and BM25 getScores stores raw relevance values in BM25 scores for later comparison. We immediately sort those scores, so BM25 top reflects the sparse-only ordering before embeddings enter the scene. The printed IDs show which documents BM25 would surface first, forming the baseline we aim to improve. Now we add a semantic retriever to see what meaning-focused ranking looks like and to surface differences. This example adds a SentenceTransformer dense retriever so we see the semantic ranking in isolation. Are embeddings surfacing anything BM25 missed? SentenceTransformer all mini LM L6v2 with normalize embeddings equals true plants unit vectors into docvex and queryvec, letting dot products behave like cosine similarities. The docvex at queryvec multiply produces dense scores for every candidate, and NP argsort converts them into the ranked dense top list. The printed IDs show the semantic-only frontrunners we will later fuse with sparse evidence. We then try the obvious shortcut, which often fails, adding the two score arrays directly. This code stress tests a quick and dirty score sum so we understand the fusion pitfall. Should we just add sparse and dense scores together? BM25 scores already holds the BM25 numbers, while dense scores carries cosine similarities from the transformer. We add them element-wise into naive scores and sort, mimicking the common but ill-fated weighted sum shortcut. The printed IDs confirm how that naive mix can reshuffle leaders arbitrarily, reminding us why rank-based fusion matters. Next, we switch from numbers to runs and apply reciprocal rank fusion to combine the two ranked lists into one stable hybrid ordering. This snippet converts those score arrays into ranks run objects and applies reciprocal rank fusion. How do we feed sparse and dense runs into the same fusion engine without rewriting metrics? Dict zip builds BM25 scores dict and dense scores dict, so each doc IDS entry keeps its float score. Run name big wraps each set with query ID, and fuse method RRF params K60 lets ranks compute the hybrid run. Setting fused run.name and sorting RRF scores yields top RRF IDs. The fused ordering grounded in reciprocal ranks. The printout lists the fused doc IDs, showing the stable hybrid ordering we were chasing. Finally, we inspect how the fused order relates to each original rank to validate that RRF truly balances them. This example sanity checks the fused run by aligning RRF ranks with the original rankers. Did RRF actually harmonize the two rankers or just reshuffle them? np.argsort over BM25 scores and dense scores gives us BM25 rank and dense rank dictionaries for quick lookup. We slice RRF ranked and format summary strings as doc ID BM25 rank, dense rank, so you can see each document standing in both worlds. The print statement exposes how every fused leader balances sparse and dense positions, proving RRF's late fusion logic. Mapping this toy flow to a real system is straightforward. The doc texts become your document corpus. The SentenceTransformer outputs become cached vectors in a vector store or ANN index. The BM25 stage becomes any inverted index service. The ranks style fusion step can run in millisecond time over the top candidates and return a single hybrid list without retraining anything. Recap in 3 sentences. Reciprocal rank fusion is a rank-based late fusion that merges multiple ranked lists into one robust ordering. Use RRF when rankers disagree or when scores are on different scales and you want a simple, effective hybrid. One caveat: RRF relies only on positions, so it ignores score magnitudes that might matter if one model is clearly superior. Next step: tune BM25 K1 and B on your corpus, and then rerun the fusion to see how BM25 calibration shifts the hybrid output. If AI Foundations in Python help, subscribe and watch the AI Foundations videos.